All right, I'm going to show you how to divide complex numbers. We'll use the example that you have on your screen. In order to divide complex numbers, we really multiply by the complex conjugate of the denominator, which, since the numerator and the denominator are the same, we're really going to get 1. So we're multiplying by 1. It's not changing the value, it's just changing the format of it. So while I can appreciate how the view and example problem takes you through it, I really think that you should think about it as two separate problems, one on top and one on the bottom of your fraction. So we're going to put all these in parentheses, and then we're going to multiply out the top. So we're going to do 13 times 3, 13 times 3, 26, 39. Okay, and then we do 13 times negative 5i, which is minus whatever 13 times 5 is. 65i. And then we do minus 2i times 3 minus 6i. And negative 2i times negative 5i is plus 10i squared. We go to the denominator, do the same thing. 3 times 3, 9. 3 times negative 5i is negative 40. Nope. 3 times negative 5i, negative 15i. 3 times 5i is positive 15i. And 5i times negative 5i is negative 10i squared. So the reason is that you multiply by the complex conjugate of the denominator is because these two terms right here will always cancel to be 0. All right, and so we simplify now. This term right here, since it's I squared, is really 10 times negative 1, so it's really a negative 10 there. So as I simplify this, 39 minus 10 is going to be 29. Negative 65i minus 6i is going to be negative 71i. Divided by, same thing here, this right here, this negative 10i squared is really like negative 10 times negative 1, which is a plus 10. So I have 9 plus 10 on our denominator, and that will be 19. We'll notice that the minus 15i and the 15i cancel. So now you just simplify. So it wants it of the form a plus bi, where there's a real component and an imaginary component to this complex number. And so we just separate it. 29 over 19 minus 71 over 19i. That should be. Let me double check. Make sure. Well, hopefully that helps you. I think that should be the correct answer, but you can double check on your example problem if you would like to make sure that's how you need to enter your answer. Hopefully this helps.